In this session, we are going to talk about streams. We are going to say what a stream is, and we are going to see the predefined classes in streams. A stream is something that has been written into a file. So it is in the byte form of a set of characters, or it is also in the form of a string. It is a physical device in which the Java input-output system works. So the Java output system should either store the data in memory, or it also stores stores the data in a file. The text is converted to the byte form when reading or writing, or it can also be read as a character, and the operations that are being done is on the text that is being inserted or read. Some of the predefined classes and streams that you see are the file input stream. This reads information from a file as a character. It will not convert the data into bytes, but please make a note that the input stream is for reading and the output stream is for writing. So the file input stream reads the file as characters. The data input stream converts the data into the byte form and is then read. The file output stream writes to a file as characters, and the data output stream converts the data into byte and writes. Now, suppose I use the data output stream to write something into a file, and I use the file input stream to read the information that has been stored in a file. What will be my output? I'll only get data in the byte form. Or in other words, if I write the file output stream to save something into a file, and I use the data input stream to read that file, what will I get? I'll get the data in the byte form. So this is how streams are used. The next set of streams are the print stream. This is used to write data into a file. The print stream can be used by creating an object for the print stream class, and the object.println method can be used to write to a file. The sequence input stream is used to read inputs or data from two streams. So I said specifically it's two and it's not multi, because the sequence input stream can read only from two streams. The print writer is another class which is used to print in the console by creating an object. Once again, the println method can also be used by creating the object for print writer. It is character based, which means whatever you type is saved as it is. The system.out is passed on to the print writer class. So the print writer class uses the system.out method. So you create an object for print writer and use the println method as in the print stream. The random access file. Now just see the example. For writing to a file, I said you can use the data output stream or the file output stream. So you have to create an object for either the data output stream or file input stream for writing to a file. So you have to create an object, like say for example you create data output stream ds equal to new data output stream of. This is how you create an object. The same way, for reading from a file, you use the data input stream or the file input stream. So how do you create an object? You say data input stream dis equal to new data input stream. Of. So this is how you create an object. But please remember, for writing you have to create a separate object, as in reading, wherein you also have to create a separate object. But the random access file acts different. You just have to create one object for both writing and reading. It's just a single object that's been created, wherein with that single object maybe you can use the read or the println method to read or write in a file. And it consists of a large array of bytes wherein whatever you type from your keyboard is stored and accessed in the same way that it was typed. And when using random access files, you can change the modes of the file. So what are the modes of a file? Like say for example in Unix it is read, write and execute, whereas in a Windows platform it is read, write or the hidden thing. But then we are not going to use random access file to hide a file, but we can use the read write method to say that the file can be both read and write. But whereas the random access file with the R option makes the file only as read only, and therefore you will not be able to write any stuff onto that file. Read write is both read and write operations. So in this session we saw what a stream was and the predefined classes and streams. But don't get perturbed, this is not the end of it. We have some more stream classes to come in the next sessions, like say for example the buffered reader, the file writer. These kind of streams are yet to come and we'll see them in detail in the sessions to come, and also programs to go along with it. So till such time we meet again, it's bye and thank you.